Have you ever dreamed of traveling the world and seeing places that look like they're straight out of a movie? Here are the top 5 countries you absolutely need to visit in your lifetime. Number 5, Switzerland. A paradise for nature lovers. Snowy mountains, crystal clear lakes, and the best chocolate on earth. Switzerland is pure peace and perfection. Number 4, Thailand. The land of smiles. From stunning beaches like Phuket to delicious street food in Bangkok, Thailand is a mix of adventure, beauty, and endless sunshine. Number 3, France. More than just Paris and the Eiffel Tower, France is full of romance, art, and culture. Explore the lavender fields of Provence or the sunny coast of Nice for a true dream escape. Number 2, Morocco. A colorful journey through history and tradition. From the red walls of Marrakech to the blue charm of Chefchaouen, Morocco will steal your heart with its magic and hospitality. Number 1, Japan. Where the past meets the future. Walk through neon-lit Tokyo streets or find peace under Kyoto's cherry blossoms. Japan is truly a world of its own. Each of these countries offers a unique story waiting to be discovered. So tell me, which one will you visit first?